Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use anchors in Wix Studio. Anchors are powerful tools that allow your website visitors to jump directly to specific sections on any page. This feature is incredibly useful for improving navigation, especially on pages with a lot of content. You can link almost any element, such as a button, text, or even an image, to an anchor point for seamless user interaction. To add an anchor, first open your Wix Studio editor and choose the page where you want to place it. Look for the Add Elements icon, usually a plus sign, on the left-hand side. From there, navigate to the Menu and Anchor section. Simply drag an anchor element onto your canvas and place it at the very top of the section you intend to link to. Now, let's link an element to your new anchor. Select the button, text, or image you want to connect. In the Inspector panel, click the link icon, which often looks like a small chain. Choose Anchor as your link type and then select the specific anchor you just created from the drop-down list. Make sure the link is set to open in the current window for a smooth user experience. After setting up your anchors, it's crucial to preview your site to ensure every link functions as expected. For best practices, use clear and descriptive names for your anchors. This makes managing them much easier. Always place your anchor element at the very top of the section it's meant to link to. Also, consider using a fixed header menu for quick and easy access to all your anchor links.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.